Vegan on a Budget Tips for Affordable Plant-Based Living. Living a vegan lifestyle has gained popularity in recent years, with many people recognizing the benefits of a plant-based diet for their health and the environment. However, one common misconception is that being vegan can be expensive. In reality, with some smart planning and savvy shopping, it's entirely possible to live a vegan lifestyle on a budget. Here are some tips to help make plant-based living affordable. Firstly, it's important to focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Many vegan substitutes, like imitation meats or cheeses, can be pricey. Instead, opt for natural protein sources such as legumes, quinoa, lentils, and tofu. These foods not only provide essential nutrients, but are also much more affordable. Buying staples like rice, oats, and pasta in bulk can also help save money. Secondly, planning meals in advance can be a game changer when it comes to vegan budgeting. Take some time each week to plan out your meals, making use of ingredients you already have on hand. This not only reduces food waste, but also prevents last-minute, expensive grocery store runs. Look for recipes that use affordable, seasonal produce, which tends to be more affordable and nutritious compared to out-of-season alternatives. In addition, shopping at local farmers markets or joining a community-supported agriculture (CSA) program is a great way to save money while supporting local growers. Many of these sources offer affordable fresh produce since you're buying directly from the farmer. You may also consider growing your own vegetables and herbs, which can be done even without a large outdoor space. A small herb garden on a windowsill or a few potted tomato plants on a balcony can provide a cost-effective and sustainable source of fresh produce. Another tip for budget-friendly vegan living is to make your own staples whenever possible. This includes things like plant-based milk, salad dressings, and snacks. Homemade versions not only save money but also allow you to control the quality of the ingredients, ensuring they are free from preservatives and additives. Additionally, cooking in bulk and freezing meals can save both time and money, as you can take advantage of sales and discounts on larger quantities. Being mindful of the sales and discounts offered by your local grocery store is also important. Many stores have weekly specials and promotions that can significantly lower the cost of vegan staples. By comparing prices across different stores and taking advantage of these deals, you can make the most of your budget. Additionally, utilizing coupons, loyalty programs, and cashback apps can further maximize your savings. Reducing food waste is another way to make vegan living more affordable. Estimates suggest that nearly 1/3 of all food produced is wasted. By using leftovers creatively and freezing excess produce, you can stretch your budget and reduce your environmental impact. Making use of all parts of a plant, such as using vegetable scraps to make homemade vegetable broth, is another great way to avoid waste. Lastly, a valuable resource for budget-friendly vegan living is online communities, blogs, and social media groups. These platforms often provide tips, recipes, and support for those aiming to live a vegan lifestyle on a budget. Connecting with others who share similar goals can be both motivating and informative, providing you with new ideas to reduce costs and make affordable plant-based choices. In conclusion, veganism doesn't have to break the bank. With a little planning, preparation, and smart shopping, it's entirely possible to live a plant-based lifestyle on a budget. By focusing on whole foods, planning meals, shopping at local markets, and making your own staples, you can enjoy the benefits of vegan living while keeping your finances in check. Additionally, being mindful of sales and discounts, reducing food waste, and seeking support from online communities can further contribute to the affordability of your vegan journey. I hope this information on vegan on a budget tips was helpful. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe. For more topics and tips on vegan lifestyle, vegan recipes, vegan diets, vegan smoothies, and vegan meal plans, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and let's change our eating habits for a healthier life. Keep in mind that you are what you eat.